I want to be able to think in radians and have some kind of reference point for different angles that are given to me in terms of radians. We know that a full rotation is 2 pi, which means a half rotation or a straight angle is half of 2 pi or pi. If we were to look at a right angle, this is half of a straight angle, so it would be half of pi or pi over 2. And if I make 3/4 of a rotation, that would be like going pi plus an additional pi over 2, or 3 pi over 2. Equivalently, I could have multiplied 2 pi by 3/4. Now that we have some reference points, we can draw some other angles, like pi over 4. We know that pi over 2 was a right angle, so this one should be half of a right angle. Which would be about right here. Another way to think of it is 1/8 of a circle. If we take a circle and split it up into 8 equal pieces, and this is because 1/8 times 2 pi is pi over 4. For something like 3 pi over 4, we know that pi over 2 or 2 pi over 4 is straight up. So we need an additional pi over 2, so an additional 1/8. So it would look like this. If we try to go negative 5 pi over 4, well, we know this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4 since this is a full pi, and then 5/4 would be up here, and we moved in the negative direction. For 7 pi over 4, we can once again count off the fourths. This is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, and then 7/4 is here. So this direction would be 7 pi over 4. Finally, I want to look at 9 pi over 4. 8 pi over 4 is equal to 2 pi, so that's a full rotation. And then plus we need to go a little bit extra. We need to go an additional 1/4. So that would be this angle here, 9 pi over 4. We have to wrap around a full rotation plus a little bit extra. As we do more with angles, there are some common angles that we will be dealing with a lot. Pi over 6 is 30 degrees. Pi over 4 is 45 degrees. Pi over 3 is 60 degrees. Pi over 2 is 90 degrees. 2 pi over 3 is 120 degrees, and we can see this easily because it's 2 times pi over 3, and 2 times 60 is 120. Pi would be 2 times pi over 2, or 2 times 90, to get 180. 4 pi over 3 would be 2 times 2 pi over 3, or 2 times 120, just 240 degrees. 3 pi over 2, I could multiply pi over 2 by 3, or 90 degrees by 3 to get 270. 7 pi over 4, I could multiply pi over 4 times 7, or 45 degrees times 7 to get 315 degrees. And finally, we know that 2 pi is equal to 360 degrees. As I said, I'll use these angles a lot, so it's a good idea to become comfortable with these conversions.